You already know the importance of using the right type of bit for the right kind of material, and you're probably familiar with diamond core bits. The alternate tooth beveled edges on Grip-Rite's Combo Pro core bits allow for faster drilling speeds and better bit tracking, while the specialty cut turbo segments make sure your bits produce less drag, which increases drilling speed. The laser welded segments add to the core bit's durability and longevity even under extreme drilling conditions. Each Grip-Rite Combo Pro Diamond Core bit is made to power through 80 to 100 holes through solid concrete. Grip-Rite has even reinforced the teeth of the bits to increase their strength and drilling speed, allowing them to tackle rebar with ease. The alternate tooth beveled edge segments allow the Combo Pro core bits to cut through material 30% faster than any other competitive diamond bit. From concrete to brick to rebar, and for wet or dry use, there is a Grip-Rite diamond bit that is made especially for that project. The dry bits even have vents built into the side so that they don't overheat. This small addition makes a huge difference in the lifespan and cutting speed of your dry bit.
This 2-in-1 air needle scaler and hammer kit from Clutch easily and quickly removes scale and rust. It delivers 4,600 blows per minute at 90 psi and just 6 CFM air consumption. The lightweight composite housing is easy to hold and operate with a low vibration design for exceptional comfort. It features 12 needles and comes with 4 chisels and a spring. Easily remove scale and rust with this 2-in-1 air needle scaler and hammer kit from Clutch.
Cleaning up a pile of leaves or a dusty floor is no longer a job for the broom. Whack a battery in the Tool Pro 18-volt blower and clean up the mess in a snap. The Tool Pro 18-volt blower comes supplied with the blower unit and a nozzle and is compatible with Tool Pro 1.5 and 2 amp-hour batteries sold separately. Slide the battery pack in, twist the blower nozzle to lock it in place and pull the trigger to unleash 30 kilopascals of air power. You'll find it great for dusting down the engine bay of your car, garage floor and workbenches, or clearing leaves from footpaths and driveways. Weighing under 1.2 kilograms and featuring an ergonomically designed handle, this 18-volt blower provides comfortable single-handed operation. Add the Tool Pro 18-volt blower to the rest of your Tool Pro 18-volt collection, and cleaning up is as simple as the click of a battery and squeeze of a trigger.
If you live in a house, you need a Wallabout DIY. Or not. You can take risk and hit a water pipe or electrical wire every time you drill. You can also take the expensive option and call a pro every time to have him do the job for you. But wait, why not become the pro? Why not save time, money, and finally, gain control over your own home? This is Wallabout DIY, a tool that will unlock your renovation potential and will take it to the next level. It shows you a real-time visual image of what's behind the wall before you drill, saw, hammer, or open a wall. All you need to do is attach Wallabout to your Android device and scan your way to your dream home. Now get this, works on both concrete and drywall, sees up to 4 inch deep, detects metal, wood, plastic, and even movement. Thanks to the innovative RF technology, Wallabout allows you to identify different objects hidden in the wall. It will also display an image of the exact location. So, what are you waiting for? Nobody wants to be this guy. So be confident that you know where to drill. Simply use Wallabout DIY.
It's time to clear out that old drawer of screwdrivers and make space for the ultimate tool to cover you for almost every job. Introducing Tool Pro Auto Loading Multi-Bit Screwdriver. This screwdriver is unlike any other tool in the market. Simply find out the bit you need, twist, slide, and you're good to go. Get the job done in seconds. No more hunting around for the perfect sized screwdriver. Keep one in your toolbox and one in your kitchen drawer and you'll be set for just about any job around the home and garage. Fixing toys, opening remote controls, replacing batteries, screwing in light fittings, or assembling furniture. The Tool Pro Auto Loading Screwdriver is going to be your new best friend. This brilliant multi-purpose screwdriver sets the standard for awesome utility tools with a selection of slotted, Phillips, square, hex and Torx bit drivers, all available at the flick of a wrist. The screwdriver comes with 4 different coloured chambers, each loaded with a different type of bit. But you're not limited to the setup supplied.
Whatever the application, we have the right breaker for the job. Our lineup of electro-pneumatic breakers deliver impressive hammering power and exceptionally low vibration. Let's put them to the test. The TE1000 AVR is a perfect breaker for heavy wall breaking on low to mid-wall applications and floor slabs up to 4 inches thick. This high-performance demolition hammer features low vibration with our active vibration reduction system, a brushless motor for longer life and less maintenance, as well as a detachable cord for quick and easy replacement. The TE2000 AVR is a breaker for dedicated floor work with exceptionally low weight and vibration in slabs up to 8 inches thick. Its very low weight of only 32 pounds makes it easy to handle and maneuver in medium-duty demo jobs. The brushless motor means longer life and a detachable cord for easy replacements of damaged or cut cords. The TE3000 AVR is our ultimate breaker for heavy-duty demolition of slabs and foundations. Minimal vibration and no need for compressor makes this an ideal alternative to traditional air tools. The TE3000 delivers exceptionally high braking performance, up to 6 tons of concrete removed per hour. We put all 3 tools to the test, and here's how they performed. When combined with our self-sharpening X-Polygon chisels, you receive the maximum productivity of better braking performance, reduced sticking, and longer life.